with KEDA, you can scale to 0. So the idea is that you can use KEDA for doing that. If you have an HTTP application that you would like to scale based on when a request comes, there's have been an add-on that you will have to install as well. This add-on, I will copy it on the chat. It's more or less that's the same. Intercept any request that comes, and then it has a queue, and when the queue gets some on that specific queue, when it comes on request, it will start a new replica of your deployment. So the thing is that now you need this scale, this add-on in KEDA to scale when HTTP request comes from, for example, you have an HTTP-based application, but for other applications that comes, you don't have to install the HTTP add-on. You just have to, for example, if you want to scale on the depth of the knowledge message on a PubSub queue, or you want to scale on any other type of metrics, the thing is that, okay, you can use the scale in order to scale to 0 with HTTP, you should use the HTTP add-on. And to other workloads that are not HTTP, you can scale with other scalers as well, okay? But KEDA does allow you to scale from 0. And the other way, the thing is that, okay, it will create a replica of your pod. When the replica of your pod it will trigger the HPA. The HPA will create a replica of your pod, and the Cloud Autoscaler will create a new node in case it's needed. So the thing is that you can have nodes as well that scale to 0. But it might take some time to catch up when you have to receive a new request and you are starting from 0. That's what you need to do. So I think probably you don't want to scale nodes to 0, but you can scale pods to 0. That's good. Even if you're using Autopilot, that's important because the Cloud Autoscaler uses Autopilot uses the same Cloud Autoscaler mechanism. So the thing is that Cloud Autopilot can create a new node pool for you, but the new node can scale to 0. But it will need to create a new node. It will need some time to create the new node. Okay. So the idea is that you can do that with KEDA, with the combination with Cloud Autoscaler, using Autopilot or standard clusters. If you're using for HTTP, use the KEDA HTTP add-on. If not, you are using HTTP workloads, you can use other scalers that might be useful to you, just as the PubSub scaler or any Prometheus scalers or any other scalers for the case.